So today the idea is to work on self-rescue, to know what happens when it happens, because it's going to happen. What is the most important thing that you think, what's your number one thing you think about when you flip over?
My partner.
Your partner, okay? What might be, before you think about your partner, what might you think about?
Hold on to my paddle.
Okay, hold on to your paddle. I think about me, okay? So as soon as I flip over, my first thing is am I safe? Am I in a good position? So it's to worry about yourself and the people, okay? Then you worry about your partner, that's the second people in a tandem boat. Then you worry about your paddle, your gear, and all that other stuff. The first thing I'd like everybody to do is put your life jackets on. So go ahead and jump in. It's deep. What I want you to do is put your feet straight down, put your hands up in the air, and sink yourself. Good. All right. How does your life jacket feel? Is your life jacket starting to climb up on you? Okay. Usually when I do this class and everybody jump in with their life jackets, first thing that happens is their life jacket comes up over their head. The first thing when you flip over, you get into a defensive swimming position. Bill Rivers is going to show us our defensive position. Your knees are up, your toes, we call tennis shoe check. So you can be able to lie back and just have your feet up, and then you can use your arms to be able to paddle. Yep. You're coming up on Death Killer Falls, okay? You turn over, so you rotate over and you do an overhand crawl. There you go, Andy's gonna show right there, yep. Go back from defensive. He's in defensive, go to offensive now. Cool. Okay, so try that. Go from defensive to offensive. You can use your paddle to get yourself to shore. There we go. Andy's going to show us how to go ahead, move with it. Okay? You can do it forward like Bill's doing. You could do it backwards. You can also hold it in the middle like a kayak paddle. Kayak stroke. What's the moral of the story?
You better be wearing your life jacket. Don't paddle without it, because you're not going to be able to put it on very easily.
Yeah. What you don't want is someone right here. Okay? What you want them to be is at the back of your boat. So we talked about kicking your feet and how much they have to work. But if I take my feet be on the front of their boat, don't kill me too much. What I'd like you to do is when your boat is upside down, like it is right now, upside down, is I'd like you to tow it to one side of the pool to the other. Any way you can. Try using your paddles, try swimming. The next thing I'd like you to do is flip your canoe over, roll it over, and then try to drag it. Question, which is easier? Upside down or right side up? You're in it. Okay, right side up. So if you can flip your boat over, you can go ahead and do that. And so I'll be swimming the boat in, and when I feel like I am close enough to shore, then I'm going to grab the Canoe line, deploy it, swim the rest of the way to shore, and then pull the boat in, and I can be stabilized. Ready? 1,
That's not working. You ready?
1, 2, 3. Pretty good. Good. So we got a lot of water. The other thing you can do. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're real. Look at that.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yep. Going all the way. And then just pull it onto your life jacket. Just like, lift it up just a little bit. As high as you can. Good, now push it back in. Got it? Roll it right on up. Leave it there. Leave the platform there. And you're going to go right through the middle there. You can grab this life jacket if you want, pull them in. Okay? You can. Where's your partner? Now you can go into the middle. Under their boat. Oh, okay. Get your gloves down. Okay. Okay, now you gentlemen, I would be on your knees because this is going to get a little rocky here. All you're going to do is slide the boat right under the water. Yep, go slide it on. Launch it. Okay.